Number 40. Jordan has had a collection of baseball cards for several years. Suppose that B, the number of cards in the collection, can be described as a function of T, which is time in years since the collection was started. What would the following equation mean about the number of cards in the collection over time? Select the best answer. So this is a linear equation. It has a base and a growth rate. It's a little bit backwards from what we're used to seeing. We're used to seeing the growth rate come first. So typically we would see something like B equals minus 20t plus 200. But either way, this is the starting value. No. This is the starting value. It's the base. It has no variable by it, so it's not going to change. It's what we start with. And then this minus 20 here is the growth rate. It's a little bit easier for us to see that when it's written like this because that's how we're used to seeing it. So Jordan starts with 20 borrowed cards and gets 100 more every month. Well, he starts with 100 cards, right? B is cards, so if time is 0, this term goes away and we just get 100. B is cards. So we know that he has to start with 100 cards. We can automatically eliminate. This is just trying to trick us into thinking this is a starting value. Minus 20 would be borrowed, maybe. Starts with 100 cards, gives away 20 cards every month, gives away 20 cards every year. Wow, these look the same, but you'll notice the units are different. So now we have to go back and reread the problem and see what T stands for. B, the number of cards in the collection can be described as a function of T, which is the time in years. So after 1 year, he'd give away 20 cards. He'd lose 20 cards after 1 year.